Just take a look at the quality of these AI-generated videos. Now you might ask yourself, what tool have I used to generate these videos and how much I paid? Well, I did all of these for free. And in this video, I will show you how to do the same thanks to this new AI model called Seedance by Bybit, which is the company behind Capput. And I will show you how to get access to this model for free, test out some prompts together just to make sure the quality is good, and perhaps explore other tools like image generation that is offered by this model. So for the first part of this video, let's see together how we can get access to this AI model, which generates high quality videos and competes with VEO3 and Kling for free. It is actually thanks to this platform here called Dreamina, which is part of Capput, I guess. So all you have to do is just go to the link, you'll find it in the description. It is dreamina.capput.com. You will be redirected to this interface right here. It provides a lot of tools such as video generation, image generation, lip sync, and etc. We'll test a couple of these. But first of all, let's see how we can get this tool for free. So first of all you have to do is just, as I said, go to this platform. Before you do anything on this platform, you will have to activate a VPN. I will show you how. So for my case, I went with a TunnelBear VPN. All you have to do is just install it from the Chrome extension store. I have already done that, even though I'm using Opera and not Chrome. So as you can see here, it works on Opera as well. Just search TunnelBear VPN in the extensions and then install it. After you do that, you will have to create an account, of course, for this to be working, and then you can verify the account. Once you do, you will see that the extension is shown in the browser bar. All you have to do is just click on it and then activate the VPN. Once you do that, just switch to any country in Africa. Let's say Nigeria, for example. Click on it, and as you can see, we are connected to Nigeria. We go here and refresh our page. And now we'll have to click on sign in. Make sure to check this, click on sign in. And then you will have to choose any of your Google accounts. Make sure you haven't used that account or that email on this website before. So choose something that haven't been used in this Dreamina platform. Now you can put any birth date you want. So let's go with, let's click next. All right. And then you will be in. So you will have to close any pop-up that shows up. So let's go with this, let's go with this. And as you can see now, you have access to the platform, but you have 0 credits in here. This means, by the way, that you are in the right path. But if you go here to choose the tool that we're gonna use, we can see the AI image, but we can't see, or we can see, but we don't have access to the AI video, AI avatar. The next part of this trick is go to the TunnelBear again, extension, open it, and change the location to any Europe country. I will go with the United Kingdom. Click on it and let it connect. So right now connection is secured. So if we go ahead and refresh the page, we'll see that we now have access to the AI video. As you can see, you can choose a lot of things. The AI image, AI avatar. We will test the AI image later on. We have a couple of options to play with. So we have the Video 3.0, which is the model by Seedance, and the Video S2.0 Pro, which is by Seaweed. So we will test this one first because this one offers like multiple scenes, etc. This one is a more simpler model without multiple scenes and scene switches. So we'll test it with a couple of prompts later on. We can also choose the aspect ratio. We got 16:9. If we want to create widescreen videos, we can go with the 9:16. If we want to create the Reels, TikTok viral videos, etc., we can go with the square stretched ones. For the duration, we can choose either 5 seconds for this model, but if we choose the 3.0 model, will get the 2 options, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Now let's start by testing this model first. I have asked my best friend ChatGPT to generate me 5 prompts, detailed prompts to test these models first. So I will go with this prompt first. If we copy it here, let's paste it. And then let's wait for the video to generate. As you can see, the cost is 0 here. So our trick worked. Let's click this. As you can see, it got queued because this model is pretty advanced. So it puts you in a queue most of the time. Let's say 13 minutes, 10 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever. So all we have to do is just wait for it. All right, so as you can see now, it has finished generation for the prompts that I gave. I added 2 more prompts other than the first one we tried together. So yeah, as you can see, for the first prompt, a sleek black motorcycle. As you can see, this is the video generated, 5 seconds. Pretty much follows the prompt. I guess we have to do more work on the prompts to get the better results. So this is the first video. The second video is in the gold dawn light, a lone hiker steps onto a misty mountain ridge, blah, 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 blah. So this is the video. This one was pretty dodgy, not gonna lie. So yeah, this one, look at him, he's kind of scary. And then let's see his hand. All right, look at his hand. Yeah, that's pretty dodgy. So this one is a failure. The last one was on a moonlight rooftop courtyard. An orchestra of sleek silver robots pre-tune their instruments under a soft glowing moon. The camera started with an over-the-shoulder view of a conductor bot, raised baton, cut into close-ups of nimble mechanical fingers plucking strings, then a wide angles as spotlights gradually flare in sync with the first haunting notes. So yeah, as you can see here, this was the first one. This is the strings, and then the lights showing. So yeah, this one pretty much was a success, not gonna lie. It's not really that impressive, but I guess we need to do more work on the prompt. So yeah, another cool feature we can try is like generate soundtrack. We can click on generate soundtrack. We can choose from generate based on the first frame or customize. Let's try generate based on the first frame. And let's leave it 6 seconds to generate the audio. Right, let's activate the music. Let's see what this gives us. So yeah, this is the first one, the second one. Okay, so yeah, these are the music generated. Now we have tried the video 3.0, which takes a bit of time to generate. It took me like for one of them 10 minutes, I guess, in the queue. So let's try simple prompts now with the video S2.0. So let's copy one of the prompts here. Let's see what this gives us. Okay, keep it to 5 seconds. Let's put this to 9:16. And then let's click generate. All right, our last video has finished generating. So as you can see here, it gave us what we asked for, a lone surfer, and the quality is pretty good, not gonna lie, but I guess we need a bit more work on the prompts. ChatGPT did let us down with this. So yeah, I guess if we spend a bit more time on the prompts and not going with things that are crazy and making them simple for the video generation model, it will give us better results. But yeah, this has been it for the video generation using Dreamina and Seedance and the model from Seaweed, of course. Let's test, before we end this video, the image generation. So if we go here, let's paste it. We use this model for the image generation. We have 3 models that we can use. But yeah, this gives us 2K resolution, I guess. Yeah, 2K and 1K. Let's try this one first. Again, we can change the aspect ratio, the resolution, and the size. So yeah, it already generated, which is pretty fast, not gonna lie. Even the quality is really good. If we see here, we can upscale it to make it HD. Let's choose this, for example. Choose the best one and make and upscale it for better quality. So yeah, it already has finished. If we click, all right, we see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how you use Dreamina to get the free video generation model and unlimited like tries. I have been playing with it ever since, and I haven't run out of tries or generations. The annoying thing is the queue that we get put in. Unlike the others, everybody knows about this one now, so a lot of people are using it. This is why we are getting long queues. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.